I spy with my little eye, a girly I can get cause she don't get too many likes, a curly headed cutie I could turn into
Another video. Right now I'm gonna be doing the can that microwave challenge, and we got 3 things we're gonna try to microwave: a piece of watermelon, a piece of cheese, and a piece of a pickle. So I hope things don't go bad. If that happens, we're in big doo-doo.
Please subscribe to this video.
Let's go.
Let's get 25.
Jake Paulers, guys. What are we gonna do? Alright, guys, we're gonna do it. And we're only gonna do it for like 20 minutes. Pickles.
Get a microwave. That can microwave. Well, I don't know.
Just a piece. Just a.
Microwave. So first
I'm gonna eat the rest of this.
and then watermelon.
No, not yet. Not yet.
Oh, show them.
Just show them this. Guys, so a pickle.
Yeah,
A pickle.
a pickle.
Pickle. Ah.
Here.
No, Ray, it's okay. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna eat this. What happened to my head? Alright, this is.
Wait, my video stopped. Okay, guys, we're back with another YouTube video, and we're doing can that microwave
What I'm gonna do?
challenge. And first, we're doing a pickle. Do for 19 seconds.
Wait.
No, 1 minute. 91 seconds. That's 2. No, that's a minute and a half. So we're doing
In my pot, bro.
microwave,
I can hear it sizzling.
and it's microwave, and that's for doing watermelon, and then
I don't know why we're doing this inside.
please follow me on Musical.ly. It will say it right.
Alright, guys, so.
And
If it gets too sizzly,
so
we're gonna stop
if it
it.
gets too sizzly, we're gonna stop it. But hope this doesn't blow up our house. Cross your fingers. Also, we'll be living on the streets. So.
I think that's enough, right?
Did it pop?
Oh, that's hot.
Broke. It broke.
Alright, guys. Oh, that's hot.
Let me feel.
It's so like dried up right now.
It's all dried up and hot.
Oh. Guys, I'm gonna bite
Smells
this.
bad.
Oh, it smells.
Dare me to eat it.
Smell it, guys. I'm gonna try a bite, alright?
Don't eat all of it. Okay. Savage lover. Trying a bite.
That can microwave. Alright. You took almost the whole thing.
Kind of good.
Look at that. Alright, I'm throwing this one. Next is what? A piece of cheese, which I hate cheese, so I'm not eating this.
That can microwave. Now we're doing string cheese. Take off the plastic.
I know. I'm just putting a piece.
That could blow it up.
That would be stupid to put.
What else? This only needs 1 7.
Right.
7.
The rest is
Don't
going.
slip. Because we're in the kitchen. And
I
water
gotta see
on
this
the
piece
floor.
of cheese.
No, put the whole string cheese.
No, bro, because then that
Half
might.
of it.
Alright, guys.
Okay, so it's microwaving.
You can't. Why is it
See it?
sizzling?
It's only that small.
I mean, the last one sizzled too. Oh, it's probably the vegetables in there.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. See? Oh, yo, it melted.
It melted into the thing. I got it. I
Oh,
got
yo,
it.
yo.
Need
Ah,
help?
that's freaking off. Yo,
Savage.
no, I got it.
Savage.
Savage. Oh, Shoot,
Can that
bro.
microwave? Yes. Can.
Yo, it's like melted.
Oh, it's actually not that hot.
Try it. You
Oh,
like cheese?
no.
You like cheese?
No, I don't.
It
I
smells
used to,
bad.
but now I'm not. Look. Yeah, it does smell bad.
It does smell bad. Wait,
Now we're doing water.
taking a little bite.
After I might eat a pickle. No. Okay. Now, let me
Okay, so
grab a piece of watermelon and I'll eat the rest of the piece.
take a bite, a little one.
Ew. Was it nasty?
It microwaved, but it was kind of nasty. Next, my favorite food. All right, guys. So we're gonna do this in a minute, but
So,
next is my favorite.
hi
food.
guys.
Actually, we might not do the watermelon. We'll do that later. But that was only 2 today. So thank you, and my intro might not work. So if it doesn't, just don't be surprised.
Just,
See you guys.
subscribe.
I just wanna roll